Back to Uptake Online, it's me again, Sabit Christopher. Very happy today that we have hit the 1K. Wow! So that is it, guys. Thank you a lot. Continue subscribing and sharing to your colleagues. Now, today I'm going to take you through the 6 rules you need to know when you're to create amazing charts. We go, do it right. That is the first thing you have to know. It is not the rule, but it is the first thing you have to know. So it doesn't matter how good you are in analysis, but what matters is what you present and how well do you present it. Then another thing is you have to continue learning how to make amazing charts. This is so important. It is an important skill for you to have if you are to deal with data. Anyone dealing with data, any data profession you're dealing with, please go for it. Rule number 1, write clear and punchy titles for your charts. Can we look at this? So this is it. On the left, we have a lame title. It is just saying sales. Sales for what? Then on the right, that is the best way how to do it. How much sales we get from our top 10 products. It is already explaining to the reader that this is what you're going to get in case you take attention and look at my chart. So that is it. Rule number 2, sort the chart in a meaningful way. How do we do that? Look at the left. It is not sorted. I can't know. I have to figure out who is the best, which product is the best, and which one is the worst. But on the right, after sorting, I can clearly tell that the 50 dark baits top up the list and 70 dark baits, they are number 10 because I've already told the reader that we have 10 products we are looking at. There we go. Number 3, remove clutter from your charts. Oh, what do we mean by clutters? These are the labels, the legends, the lines unnecessary to the reader. How does it look like? This is it. You look at the cluttered one. So first of all, we have the legends. Another one, we have the axis, we have the lines. So you can pull these legends into the bars because you need this space also. You just need to use it. So here it is. You see it is used. Then bring in the data labels. Instead of having the axis, bring in the data labels such that I don't have to figure out which one is carrying what. And number 4, highlight the important bits. Always at high level, people will not want to look at all the 10 products you have given us, but highlight out the best and tell the story about it. You see here, our number 1 product brings 11% of the sales. I already know what I have to focus on. 50 dark baits brings 11% of the sales. Go to the market and do the stocking. That's a decision taken just in no minute because I highlighted what is the best and that's what the high level manager wanted to look at. Then rule number 5, when in doubt, make it simple. Don't complicate your life. Make it simple. Now, how do we make it simple? You can have this tree diagram. It is good in visualization, but if you don't have anywhere you can explain this, don't go for it. Use the bar or the column charts. Have it the best as how I've talked about the other rules, then they will be good to go. Rule number 6. Sometimes you have to break the rules. So don't be afraid to break some of the rules. Once in a while, do so for the simplicity as we go on learning for the better. Okay, break the rules occasionally, but not always. I applaud you guys. Thank you again. You can always find me on WhatsApp number or email me. And I take this opportunity again to thank you. I thank you. Keep sharing, like our videos, keep watching, and here we are already at 1K. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.